Look, man, me and my friends, Posh Kicks, we be going back to back to back to back. You dig what I'm saying? Big shout out to my friends over at poshkicks.ru. And of course, when you shop, make sure you use discount code Taco Crazy, man. So, Posh Kicks sent me over the white and red colorway of the CPFM Air Force Ones. Now I got my hands on like this electric green color. And also, the white that's going around the word sunshine and around the word air, nigga, it's reflective. Like the shoe, look at the inside. Look at the details. The shoe is already beautiful, but listen, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all like a lights off shot. The white around the letters are reflective. Yeah, I had to get my hands on these. It's giving very much like construction worker. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know they be outside with the reflective gear? Yeah, I could. Yeah, these is hard. So big shout out to my friend Emily over at poshkicks.ru. I do not have the box, as you can see. The box was kind of fucked up. But I don't care about the box. I'm not wearing the box. I'm wearing these. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so on the left shoe, it obviously says sunshine all the way around. And on the right shoe, it says air. And again, these are the CPFM, like the Flea Market Cactus Air Force One. I don't know. They're fucking hard. I don't really care what they're called. They're hard. So yeah, that's the lights off shot, as you can see. It ain't the best, but like you can tell, bro. Like, man, big shout out to Posh Kicks. Who else gonna have the reflective gear on my feet other than my folks at Posh Kicks? But yeah, man, make sure when y'all shop, you use discount code TACO. But already, y'all, niggas just landing in PR. Puerto Rico. They already got me out here turned up. Cognac. Yeah, cognac queen. Word of Meg. Jadig. Yeah, we about to turn up in a second. You know what I'm saying? Alright. This is the microwave. As you can see, duh. My girlfriend next to me sleeps, so I'm just gonna show y'all the room. And we got some cute this is my knee, and I've been scratching it because my eczema flaring. You got these cute little paintings right here. It's cute. You got TV for your TV purposes, but I don't think we're gonna be using TV because apparently this nigga wanna go outside. And then this is the little table, and this is our view. I don't know how I ended up on this side of the bed, but this is where I'm. This is the view, y'all. Get up, I'll show y'all. My titties out, but it's cool.
So, snap, point five real quick. 1, 2, snap.
Gloomy is crazy.
Alright, y'all.
We getting tatted.
Yes.
Which one you getting?
I don't know, but I just took this out the water. Oh, can I get it? What you got?
I got the sun.
Oh, yeah, she got the sun.
You can get water.
The cookie, the turtle.
Can I?
On you, ma'am, just in case it's.
I don't want that.
I'm gonna hold it, so you ain't gotta hold all that. You just look like you.
They already said you.
You gonna bite it?
No.
Over or in the shoulder? Haha! Even better, so I got more space.
We getting tatted, y'all.
In case this turtle was named El Tinglar. The Tinglar is the Caribbean turtle that grows 7 feet long and 7 feet wide.
That's huge.
Truly. Thank you.
Thank you.
Haha!
Oh, hell.
Oh, that looks so fire.
I'm tatted, y'all.
I'm next.
Yes, sir.
We got caught in the rain, y'all, but it's cool.
La juca la tengo preparada, pa' querer, la manguera ya la tengo pa' querer, en verdad yo te quiero bregar, pa' querer, pa' querer, pa' querer, la juca la tengo preparada, pa' querer, la manguera ya la tengo pa' querer, en verdad yo te quiero bregar, pa' querer, 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 pa' dime si tú vas a querer que te dé la mitad de en par de cosas sicarias era que yo quería verte. Mato amiguitas pa' que resistan el fuerte, que si te llevo sola dudo que vuelvan a ver. Reinamos en la discoteca pa' que mueve esa chapota. Esos particitos métetelo en la nalgota. Rebota, rebota, ve como rebota. Y como lo vibra me gusta esa mamazota. Pila de mujeres loquitas pa' que le den. Tenemos par de fiestas reservadas en el Edén. Guaremate que sienten la para desde que me ven. Pero no se pase yo tan claro quién es quién. Pa' querer, 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 pa' querer.
Years ago, they were living semi-naked around here, the Taínos. So maybe they were eating whatever they found, and so those traditions kept on in the Puerto culture, you know?
I got a pet snail. It's my pet snail. I'm gonna name him Larry. He crawling around on me, if y'all can see him. See? I'm showing him my Instagram. He need to follow me on Instagram. Ouch. Okay. She found this rock, y'all. It's so pretty. Look at the pattern in it. Ouch. See? How cute.
Não se assusta, só mexe o bumbum. Brasil!
DJ LC! Pica do bagulho!
Gravou bonitinho? Não se assusta, só mexe o bumbum.
Brasil!
Some strike a chord, call it A minor. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us, they not like us.